Hello guys, how are you? Hope you guys are doing well. So in today's video we are going to discuss how we can create our portfolio website in just 5 minutes using AI. And this AI will create a portfolio website better than many developers, as I say in the video title. So first you have to go to the website that is chat.z.ai, and here you will select the model GLM 4.6. And now you need a prompt which you can generate by any AI. Like I just create a prompt in ChatGPT, and I just copy this prompt, and I will make this in the description so you can copy as well. And then you have to come to this website, and here you will select full stack, and then you will just paste your prompt and enter. And now you can see the model starts working, and it will create a portfolio website within 5 minutes. I think more than in less than 5 minutes. So here you can see on the right side, here it is preview, and on the left side this is our prompt, and the task it will perform step by step, we can see. And now you have to wait some time, and let's see what it results it give. So making a portfolio website is essential nowadays to tell someone how skills are you. And now resumes are replaced by portfolio website which will look professional. And now you can see one thing more. If we complete a portfolio website, then you can publish it without any cost and send links to your friends or any other person, and your portfolio will be visible, and it is completely free because of this AI which is known as Z.ai. And now we have to wait some time to see what results it will give us. So here you can see our portfolio website is ready, and here it adds our name. Okay, and here you can see about project skill and contact header menu, and below it adds a dummy image, and here it says building future with code and AI, software engineer and AI exhausted. And here you can see about me page. It adds about me page, and below you can see it also adds our previous work projects, and that are pretty good. And here you can see it as technical skills with animations, and you can see Flutter, Next.js, Node.js, Firebase, Mongo, AI tools. And below you can see it says get in touch, and we will try it. And let me check if this button is working or not. Okay, I think I don't add emails, so it doesn't work perfectly. And here you can see copyright footer, and this is a basic portfolio website which you can create in minutes. And now the most important part is you can publish this without any hosting or domain. You can see it give you a custom subdomain of this AI, and here you can see it saying deploying, which takes less than 1 minute. So we will wait until it deploys. So here you can see our website is completely published, and this is our portfolio website, which is completely free. And you can see that it gave us a subdomain, and also deploy our website. So you can share this link anywhere and without any hosting and domain. So I think the AI is so powerful that it can create a portfolio website. You can give it instructions according to yourself, and it will create this. So for today, uh, so this is for today. We will meet in next video. Like, sub up, and share the video. Okay, bye.